Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today, a quick recap on what happened this week on the stock market itself. We go through the watch list, some updates from the company, as well as if there's any interesting news about the company, how the current portfolio is doing. I still have not topped up any more funds into the account yet. My starting cost is still $5,000 Singapore dollars in this account. Let's just start with the stocks discussion first for my shortlist. The first pick, ELF. What are the news that happened over the week for ELF? Nothing much for ELF. We take a look at the price chart. We can see, in fact, the last few sessions for the past week. On the start of the week, here, prices actually dropped on 7 August, which was the week earlier, and then it started to go up all the way to around $123, and then it fell back again the last few tradings, the last 2 trading days. New ad campaign drew attention and some backlash, but also industry think pieces highlighting the brand's bold marketing. So like what I mentioned, the stock jumped earlier in the week, but the last 2 trading days actually fell down. Next one, NVDA. NVDA, not much news happened for the last 2-3 trading days. You can see they are trading flat at around this range, about $180 to $185 this range. After the early this week, there's the news of the regulation that they're going to pay 15% of their profits to the US government. The shares actually dropped a little bit, down, up and down over this past week itself. So next, Broadcom. Broadcom will have their earning this coming 4th of September, if I'm not wrong. Nothing much happened for the stock itself as well. They peaked all-time high about Wednesday at close to about $318, and then on the last trading day, Friday, it fell back to around lowest points around 2,900. Next, we have AMD. AMD looks very good. In fact, it go all the way up to about $186.65 last Wednesday, and on Friday it came down by a little bit to the current price about $177, 177.5 for AMD. The big headlines together with NVIDIA is the 15% of revenue on those China sales to the US government. So the details are still evolving. Next, Google. Not bad on a Friday. It go as high as about 207 price at 207. Then it fell back to around 204. The price action is good. It's still considered undervalued. Next, Amazon. Amazon, the price action for this week a bit up and down. I bought in at Amazon around here. It's not bad, about $214, and then it went up all the way to this one on Thursday and last Wednesday and Thursday, and then it fell back by a little bit on Friday itself. We move on to the next one, Meta. Meta nearly broke $800 on the last trading day. We go as high as $796 here. Then it went back to $785. So there's some AI policies regarding Meta. They are focusing very much on their AI policies, and separate reports say that Meta is restructuring their AI efforts again, and there's some coverage this week underscore wider concerns about Meta AI safety controls. The takeaway is I see Meta in the long term is still going to be a very strong company with all their AI and their Meta Facebook revenue. So let's see when it will break the $800. Adobe price this week it go as low as about $330. It's something the 52-week low. Adobe investors still have concerns because of competition. A lot of competition like Figma. Those who have used Adobe products, you know that Adobe is actually a very sticky application. Companies, hopefully the sentiments will become better and their share price will start to go up again. In fact, for the last 2-3 days, the price action is looking quite good. I see 2-3 green candles over here. Although we are not a short-term trader, for the last few days, the price seems to be going up. Just want to share here that I'm also not a financial advisor, so please do your own due diligence and your own research before you invest your money. Your money is precious, so don't waste your money. That's the end for my watch list here. Let's take a look at my portfolio, the current value. So as mentioned, my investment is only about $5,000 in SGD. I've made around, so over these past 1-2 weeks, it's a brand new account, public account. So it grew about $87. Not too bad. It's about 3.5% over just 2 weeks. A few of the stock that I picked was just nice, and I bought at a certain day low and then it went higher, so it's nothing, just lucky. But it's a very small account. It's just like a miniature duplicate of my main portfolio. Just sharing with you what are the stocks that I'm looking at and what are the stocks that I wish to own. So back to the account again. You see that not all the funds are allocated as well. I'm still waiting for opportunity to add in those stocks in my portfolio. But now it will not be easy, but because everything is at all-time high now, so it will not be easy to add more shares. But I'm not in a rush, so I will just wait for my opportunity when it comes. Okay, that will be the end of this weekly sharing. So due to my work commitments, so I can't post that often. I'll try my best. So I'll hope I can catch you guys next week again to see how's the market situation and to see how's my portfolio is doing. Alright, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.